Well, here in the waning daylight hours with the sunshine shining straight into my eyeballs and the kids in the neighborhood having a great time, it's Battlebox time. This is Mission 84, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. I'm working on my TV announcer delivery. I'm getting better and better, I think. What do you think? Anyway, as I said, it's time for Mission 84 Battlebox. The folks at Battlebox were kind enough to send me this one, as they have for every month for the last several years. And the reason I make these videos is so that we can develop a library of resources for you to be able to go back and get some examples of what you might expect from a battle box. And they're a subscription box. They have 4 different levels. Each level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. And if you want to explore it further, there'll be a link in the video description below where you can save 15% on your first order or any other order. They sell some of this stuff individually. So there we go. That being said, let's get right to it because I'm running out of daylight. We're going to open her up, see what's in here. First of all, it's a mission brief, and this tells you what's in here and the stated prices on them. Let's just get right to it. The first level is the basic level, and at the basic level, here's what you're going to get. You get a Climate V-seat. This is pretty stinking cool. I like these things. It's always good to have something to put your rear end on to keep it from getting wet. And just let me just show you this because I like Climates. They make good stuff. So let's just see. It's just a pad like this, and you blow it up. You want me to blow it up? Let's blow it up before it gets dark. And that was it. One breathful, blows it up. Just gives you a little cushion to keep your rear end off of off of whatever it's on. One thing I wish these guys had, it's got this little Velcro. I wish it had a way to fasten the Velcro on here, but it doesn't. So anyway, that's the first one. This is a $16.95 price. Next, there are some no-sew custom Battlebox patches. Okay, and these are actually, they're not just Battlebox patches, they are repair patches. So they are for repairing all sorts of, what are they repairing? They're for repairing your gear, sleeping bags, tents, jackets, inflatable pads, like maybe this. Anything that you need to repair, and this is a $20 value on these things. So pretty cool there. And then finally, the last item in the basic box is this. I opened up Fox Edge Olea EDC folder. And it's a, let me see how well that thing is. It's a frame lock and flipper style. Okay, I can open it up there. Very nice. It's a 8CR13 MOV steel, kind of a olive wood scales frame lock. This is a $29.95 value. Has a tip up pocket carry. So I like that. So there's that. And that's everything in the basic box this month, or for Mission 84. The next level box is the advanced box. At the advanced box, you get everything in the basic box plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is this Lightband Active 250, which is pretty stinking cool as usual. I keep saying pretty stinking cool. Let's just say it's really cool. How about that? And what it is this is a battery pack, and it fits on in this little sleeve right here. That allows you to recharge it, I think. And where does it plug? Oh, okay. Then it plugs in. Let's see if I can get it in there. Hopefully it's charged up. Try to show you. It's a little elastic band here, and it's really hard to do stuff on video. If you're not making a video, it's probably a lot easier. But put it in there. You plug this in here like so. It's a USB 3, and it's like a headlamp, but it's got a whole little light on it instead. And then we can turn it off. Let's see. Okay, so it's got 3 different levels. It's got red. Oh, it's got flashing. Look at that, man. Pretty cool. Turn it on, bright, dimmer, red, and flashing. And what's neat about this, you can put this on a hat if you want to. You can have light there. But it just gives you a full spectrum of light all around. It's not just a little beam, which I think is pretty neat. Let's see if I can turn it on. So yeah, it's going to light up everything. I can see the glare in front of me, so that's cool. And let's get it on, turn it off. So, and I think you don't have to turn it off. You can, once it's on, you let it run for a minute. You don't have to go through all that mess to turn it off. This has a $50 value, and that is the advanced box. The next level in the battle box this month is a pro box, and it's pro box. Say it with me again. You get everything in the advanced box plus some more stuff. This month, there's two things in the pro level. First of all, it's a 511 Halo neck gaiter. And basically, it's a neck warmer, a face mask, or a headband. A lot of people are wearing these things for masks now. I'm not, I'll be completely transparently honest with you. I'm not a mask guy. I think it's ridiculous that people are having, or they think that's going to be our life from now on or whatever. I mean, what are people waiting on to stop wearing these stupid masks that the CDC has already said don't do any good? Okay, anyway, ooh, was I supposed to say that on YouTube? Anyway, that's the 511 neck gaiter. This has a $15 value, and they also have something else that I don't think is stupid. I think it's really cool, and it is, let me open this back up again. It's a Zippo, and I actually talked to these people at SHOT Show, so I do think they're really cool. It's a Zippo heat bank, and it's a rechargeable hand warmer. Like, you remember the old Zippo hand warmers that you put lighter fluid in and you lit them and they got warm? Well, this is a rechargeable one, battery powered. So just plug it in, recharge it, and it provides heat for up to 9 hours, which I think is pretty cool. So that has a $64.95 value. So there's that. And that is the Pro Box. One more level to go, and we might make it before the sun dips below the horizon. We're going to try, and that's the Pro Plus or Knife of the Month Club, which every month you get a little something, probably something sharp. This month is a Lord & Field Tommy P. And Lord & Field, I believe, is a Battlbox brand. Battlbox created that brand. They make some pretty cool stuff. It's kind of usually kind of old school looking stuff. Let's see what this one looks like. It's coming in a pretty cool box. And this one has, oh, that's not bad. Has a nice leather sheath. And it's a, wow, it's very, very lightweight. It's kind of like a Puko or ooh, sharp too, like a Morris style blade. And let's see if it passes sharp. Oh yeah, man, it's redneck sharp for sure. They're giving us a $119 value. It's a Puko style knife, nice leather sheath. So that is the Pro Plus. So that's everything that is in Battlebox Mission 84. And hopefully that's a good example of what you might expect, because it's a surprise. What I try to do in some of these things is pick a couple of items that I think are like my favorites out of here. And there's no question out of the basic level, this climate seat is one of my favorites. So these are always handy to have. You saw how small it was, a really small, compact thing you can just stick in your pocket to have with you, but you always got a seat, and so keep your rear end out of the mud or your knees out of the mud or whatever. I think that's a handy thing to have. I like headlamps, so I think the light band is a really cool concept, that it gives you a wide range of light. And we'll pick 3 this time. I really like the Zippo heat bank because I don't like it when my hands are cold. So anyway, I think we might have beaten the sunshine. That is the take my hat off now. That is the Battlebox Mission 84. Thanks again to the folks at Battlebox for sending me this so I can show it to you and we can develop this library of resources so you can see, just get an example. You don't know up front what's in these boxes. And they're not for everybody, but if there are, again, if you might want to explore them further, you can save 15% on your first order, at least on the coupon, with a coupon in the description below. So there you go. I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, my name is Brian. Survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.